Hello, good night. My name is Daniel Lopez. This is my presentation of video logistic process coordinations. This presentation is about explaining the primary operational duties of a logistic coordinator, detailing how digital management systems like WMS and TMS or integrate into the supply chains in the outlining strategic continuous improvement action designs is optimized performance metrics and operational efficiency. Occupational functions, case roles and daily operational responsibilities of logistic coordinator in a modern Colombian enterprise. Inventory oversight, monitor stock levels, continuously using real-time WMS software to prevent stockouts and excess surplus across storage facilities. Shipment scheduling, documentation verification, suppliers communications. Core occupational functions: inbound logistics, outbound logistics. Digital tools and technologies. In innovative technology, software, and data system usage streamline supply chain management. Technology operational optimizations. Technology integrations y data management in operations. The integration of technology tools, management software, and data analytics transformers traditional operational stocks into efficient traceables in a strategic process, adopting these digital solutions enhances decisions making, minimizes human error, and guarantees strict compliance with service quality standards. Digital supply chain systems integrating digital ecosystems. Modern logistics relies heavily on integrated digital ecosystems. We implement warehouse management systems and transportation management systems to track cargo in real time. Measuring operational excellence, key performance indicators, continuous improvements, strategic actions, innovate practice to optimize logistic productivity and sustainability. Continuous improvement actions, process automations, cases, and teams hotels, sustainable logistics. Enhancement implementation route map, workflow audit, system upgrades, staff training, evaluations. In conclusion, this activity demonstrates that effective logistics process coordination goes beyond basic warehouse stocks requires a balanced combination of clear operational duties, advanced digital technologies integrations, and a continuous commitment to process improvement by controlling inventory accuracy, adopting WMS and TMS tools, and monitoring case metrics like on-time delivery. Logistics operations can reduce operational costs, eliminate documentation errors, and consistently deliver maximum customer satisfaction. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Thank you.